Don't be intimidated by seafood. I'll show you easy recipes starting with ingredients from Hy-Vee. Dress up your tilapia with this bright and elegant white wine sauce. I'm Andrew Zimmern, and this is seafood without the catch. Quality ingredients and fresh fish are the key elements for this one. Tilapia has a firmness that not only makes it great for eating, but makes it super foolproof for cooking.
You can pan fry it and it doesn't fall apart, and super delicious and super healthy.
It's good for you and it's great for our planet.
The company that we use, they use a very stringent, environmentally sound practice. So when the consumer comes up to the case, they know when they walk in the store, they're getting the best fish possible. That's what the Responsible Choice program's all about.
All right, let's get cooking. I've never had a fish denier not want to be a fish admirer after eating this dish. So let's get started right away. The first thing that I want to do, make my batter, mixing a few tablespoons of milk with a couple of eggs, and I'm just going to beat those together lightly. I like to put on a little bit of Italian seasoning. This is the one that I created with Badia. I'm going to melt my butter. So I'm going to take very thin slices, and I'm going to fry them in brown butter. We just lay our lemon slices in there and let them cook. Our fish is seasoned. We're just going to lightly dust that in flour, shake off the excess, put in our egg and milk dredge, and then lift this up and lay it down into our butter. So after 4 or 5 minutes, we turned our fish, and we're gonna cook it for just a few more minutes, almost to about medium rare-ish. Throw in a little parsley, add our white wine, about a cup of the fish stock or diluted clam juice, whatever you like, and just let that come to a boil and reduce. You just wanna cook it till it's lost about 70% of its volume. I like to make sure I have 3 slices on top of each one. So at this point, we can just lay these fillets right down into the pan again. Throw another knob of butter in there, a little more parsley. So once it comes to sauce consistency, this dish is gonna be ready to plate. And now, just a few tablespoons of sauce, a perfect tilapia with a very simple white wine sauce, a little bit of orecchiette, the charred broccolini or broccoli rabe. That's food perfection right there. This is the kind of food that you just want to snuggle up with.